Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Take care, Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta, and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the file is too large for the destination file system. Whenever I try to copy the file and paste it onto the pen drive, this problem appear. How do you fix this problem? For that, be sure to follow me. Let me show you that I have a 16 GB pen drive installed on my PC and the file is 4 GB. Why is it showing an error? The solution to convert the file system from FAT32 to NTFS. Backup all data on the drive to your computer. Then open File Explorer, right click on the USB drive and select Format and select NTFS under the file system drop down and click Start. Once the format is complete, copy or cut the file and paste them onto the pen drive. I hope they will paste without any issue. You can fix the problem in this way. I hope this video help you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.